Have you ever wondered what could go wrong if you neglect the routine maintenance of rotating your tires? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the consequences of ignoring this crucial aspect of car care. What happens when you skip tire rotation? Let's face it, ignoring tire rotation might seem as harmless as skipping your morning coffee, but the reality is far from funny. Picture this: uneven tread wear, reduced tire lifespan, compromised handling. It's like a comedy of errors, only without the laugh track. Uneven tread wear. Your tires start looking like they've been through a demolition derby, with patches of tread wearing out faster than a fashion trend from the 80s. Reduced tire lifespan. Your tires throw in the towel sooner than expected, leaving you with a hefty bill and a garage full of regrets. Impact on fuel efficiency. Your car guzzles more fuel than a teenager at an all-you-can-eat buffet, thanks to the added resistance from those unevenly worn tires. Compromised handling and stability. Your vehicle starts handling like a shopping cart with a wonky wheel, unpredictable, wobbly, and just plain awkward. Risk of blowouts. Suddenly, blowouts become as likely as winning the lottery, only instead of a cash prize, you get a free ticket to the side of the road. Now let's talk prevention. Regular tire rotation is your vehicle's version of a spa day. It keeps everything balanced, happy, and ready to hit the road with confidence. So grab your calendar and pencil in that rotation appointment before your tires stage a mutiny. If you laughed, learned, or even just snorted in amusement during this video, show us some love. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more hilarious insights and automotive antics. Remember, laughter is the best medicine for both you and your car. In conclusion, neglecting tire rotation is like telling a joke without a punchline. It's just not worth it. So, keep those tires spinning smoothly, and may your road trips be filled with laughter and adventure. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, drive safe and keep the comedy rolling.